Musili Munene wa Makoani Koome Niwauya Vanene Matisya Mitandaoni Methiitwe Mayelekelwa Kula kwi Muvia wa Koti Aiweta Kana Matisya Mavaniite Kuvalukya Muvia wa Koti Kuthukuma Wiyungamiite Aineenea Kauntini ya Mombasa Kavindani Kala Wavingua Ikomano ya Asili Makoani na Athukumi Kotini Koome niwakulya mbunge kuvitukithia mwao wa kuungamia Asili Makoani Kavindani Kala mathiumwia uya nikana kwianana na ndile ingi limbetani ya Afrika. Angelina Muse nukuelesya.
Aineenea Kavindani Kala Wavingua Ikomano na ila ni Asili Makoani na Athukumi Koti vanthi ya Kenya. Musili Munene wa Makoani Koome Niwauya Kana Matisya na Twaumangwa kwa Athukumi Koti na muno Asili Makoani kwisilanziasi ya Mitandaoni kwivikia kumatunga na itina vala yu kuelesya kana mwaka wa ilovyo wa 2024 na 2025 nimavikiite kumina namba nene ya Makoani Kotini.
Danger and a threat to the judicial independence. Over the last 1 year, we have witnessed a worrying and ugly trend of increased cyberbullying, targeted harassment, and orchestrated online campaigns against judges and judicial officers. Social media platforms, while serving as important spaces for dialogue and information sharing, have unfortunately become arenas where the dignity of judges and judicial officers are undermined.
Ingi Niwauya kana Muvia wa Kotini wende na kwikia kithito kumandika Asili Makoani aingi na ila nenzia imwe ya kwikithia Makoani ni makalatwa.
For this reason, we are continuously pursuing technologically powered initiatives such as e-filing, the integrated case management system, artificial intelligence supported National Transcription Center, the Judiciary e-application, and the Judiciary Academy e-learning platform, amongst many other initiatives. It is also important that we embrace and take advantage of these technological tools as they have the potential to improve the efficiency of our system of delivery of justice.
Ingi Koome Niwauya kana na kutika vena mathina mailovie kumya aki kwisilanziasi ya digital ta Muvia wa Koti ni Matatiite undu vailite kwikithia ni molanga kwingiva kwa Makoani.
Technological innovation, whether in fintech, artificial intelligence, data privacy, biotechnology, or cybercrime, generates disputes that require thoughtful, principled, and informed adjudication. Therefore, this conference challenges us on two fronts. First, to acquire the knowledge and skills to understand and adjudicate disputes arising from technology and its disruptions so that our judgments remain relevant and responsive to this brave new world we are operating in. And second, to embrace technology in our own work, leveraging digital tools to enhance efficiency, transparency, and access to justice.
Kilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma Kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Muse.